third. Minus 10. So, sakto kalahati.
Okay.
May lang. Hihi. Hihi. Tehe. Ayan. Tapos nagsaya na naman siya. Tinanggal na naman yung arrows sa braso niya.
Hello.
And he tried to stop with the arrows.
Kim!
We're dying. Oh, yeah.
Kim!
Hello.
Wait lang. Lag out mo na.
Log out ko lang.
Sige, sige.
Okay.
AM lang.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much. Okay na.
Thank you. Ito, open to.
Sige, sige. Sorry. Nasa game na kayo?
Oo.
Ay!
We dying.
sorry.
Hindi, okay lang.
Kamusta?
We dying.
Of course, you did.
Si
She?
Hi.
Ito si She?
Oo. Ayan, si Ate She.
Yes.
She did. I mean, she did.
No. We still alive, but yeah.
You die.
Almost.
No, we're gonna live.
Good luck, dudes. Ay, sige. Yun lang.
Wait.
Thank you. Enjoy kayo.
Wait.
Blup, blup.
Yeah.
Look.
Wait lang, log out ko lang yung.
Sabi daw. I'm just eating snacks.
Nice.
Hindi naman narinig yung pagmaya ko, di ba? Okay lang, no?
Yep.
Ah? Hindi naman.
Lumalaman din naman.
Too much sugar. I feel like...
We all need. Oh, shit! Ang dami na hulog. Alright, let's go. Ano na?
Si Ariel na pala. You guys like arrows? I will give you arrows. Tapos nireload niya yung ano niya.
Oh my god.
Nireload niya yung kanyang light cross.
Kilala ba niya si Irene? Kaya hindi niya atakihin si Irene kasi well.
I hope so. Oh no.
7.
27.
Of course, si Roman tatamaan niya.
Roman, what are you doing there? Control siya.
Okay. Tapos si Roman Constitution saving throw.
Okay. Constitution.
Ow.
5.
Okay, poison ka na ngayon.
Jesus.
Nag-roll ako ng poison damage. So, 24 turns to. Taking 24 turns na poison. So, every turn, ng bawat teammate mo, mapapoison ka.
Oh my god.
So, ganito karami poison sa iyo.
Jesus.
So, ito na yung first poison.
What?
Okay, you're dead.
Ilan na lang si Roman?
Well, minus 22, 19 na lang HP niya.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Roman.
And, wala na pala yung constitution niya. Kanina pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, that's how you aim arrows, sabi ni Ariga.
Blindness.
Where are you going? Who next though?
Ay, sorry.
Si
Fritz na.
Okay. Kailangan
I can be killing the healer first. You're
pag ano,
screwed.
pag
Every one of you
ang
are screwed.
constitution pala to. Okay, magkakas ako ng wait. Kakas ako ng blindness kay Arigal.
Blindness. Ano ginagawa na?
Yes.
Literal way na blind.
Wait lang ah. Ay, wait. 30 feet lang pala siya. Ay, never mind. Di pala siya abot. Pwede ako mag-move, di ba? Okay, pag dito ako. Anyari?
Sorry, na-click ko yung cast ng blind mo.
Ay. Paano
May isa pa bang slot? May isa pa bang slot sa second level? Ilan na
Oo.
slot sa second?
Isa na lang yung slot ko. Dalawang
Okay,
beses.
sarili na pindot mo.
Ah,
Nako. Just one video.
okay.
Literal pala ito na blind. For
Oo.
1 minute.
So, mag-move si Fritz dito.
Okay.
Then, abot. Alright.
Oh my God.
One creature that you can see. Okay. So, magkakas ako ng blindness kay Arigal. Oh my god, please work. Please work.
Takot siya. No. God damn it.
Please work.
10 turns pala yung buff niya. 10 minutes ang buff ni Fritz, di ba?
Wait,
Sa
wait.
sarili niya.
10 minutes nga ba? 10 minutes.
Okay. Sabihin na lang natin per turn is 1 minute para mas madaling i-compute.
Sige. So, may 10.
Ay, sige, 30 seconds per turn. So, 30 turns.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Since, ang reality kasi 6 seconds na.
Okay.
Nahihirapan ako. Copy ko.
Sige.
Palas nag-iisip pa kayo eh, so.
Oo.
Okay din.
Sige.
Okay,
So,
ano gagawin niyo?
magkakas ako ng blindness kay Arigal. Need niya
Okay.
ba?
Saving throw.
Oo. God. Please.
Kakantahan ba siya?
Wait. Ano ba to? Paano ba to nag-work?
Actually, ikaw bahala kung paano mo kinakaste.
Oh, really? Kakantahan ko siya, tapos be blind.
Constitution saving throw. Constitution niya ay +3.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Is that 19?
Ay, sorry, 21 yung lumabas.
Oh, Jesus! Sayang yung ko, slot ko. Okay, never mind.
21, nag-silence sa'yo si Ariel.
Why?
Masyado siya.
What are you guys doing? I thought you were going to kill me. Sabi ni Ariel.
You really wanna die that much? Okay. Okay.
Well, I will kill all of you first before I die. Sabi ni Ariel. Nakaharap si Fritz, by the way.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. That was risky. Oh my god, kailangan ko yung...
Jesus.
May...
Hello? Si Roman na pala, sorry. Ay, patay na si Roman. Nag-saving throw pala si Roman.
He did.
Saving throw. Ano?
Dito.
Oh my god, Roman.
Live, boy.
Live.
7.
Nag-fail ka sa first time. May, ano ka pa? May 5 turns para save. Saving throw.
Oh my god, Roman.
Okay, next sinut.
Okay.
Sabi, pero ako sa akin.
Do we really have to fight, Arigal? Do we really have to?
Palayo ka ata eh.
Pwede mo mag-telepathy.
Sino? Si Fritz?
Si Fritz, oh. Do we really have to? Yes. Do we really have
Huh? Telepathy, huh? Sabi niya, girl.
telepathy?
Well, whoever said that, here's my answer. I need to kill all of you. And you can stop.
Why? Just why? Give us a reason why.
Well, first, stop what you're planning.
What exactly do you
You
know?
are going to, you are going against what my master is planning.
Going against. You mean? I mean. You mean who is your master?
I can't tell you that, but all of you are going against the plan that you all agreed on. Sabi niya, Rigal.
Is it Fiona?
Huh, smart kid. Sabi niya, Rigal.
What?
Ay, what the fuck? What?
Ano kami naging against? How exactly?
How?
How? Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I'm just asked to kill you all if you go against Lady Fiona. And now that you know that Lady Fiona ordered me to, I need to kill all of you.
Never done anything yet.
But you're about to.
We're about to?
Well, all of you are scouting outside the coffee maker's shop.
We didn't know he's part of the plan.
Now you know.
Oh,
Now you know. Sabi niya, Rigal.
you should
If
have.
you want to leave, stop. Stop scouting the coffee maker's shop.
We can. You should have just warned us first. We didn't know.
You already killed someone.
Jesus.
Well, like I said, I'm just ordered. I'm not ordered to warn you. I'm ordered to kill.
Okay. Jeez. Okay, unexpected yun ah.
Bully.
Si Basili kasi dapat magsabi sa'yo, ewan sa inyo, ewan siya.
Oh,
No.
So, alright.
you forgot that little detail.
Come back.
Basili be like, don't go to church, don't meddle with anything about the church. It's all about trouble.
I thought he was
Look at you
talking
all.
about. I thought he was only talking about the zombies. I didn't know it was against the plan. No.
And now Arigal needs to kill him.
Do we really have to kill you to stop you? Is there any way that we can stop you? Do we really have to kill each other?
If we stop, will you stop?
Well, are you sure you're going to stop? Is that a promise? Sabi ni Arigal.
Yes.
Tapos sumigaw si Luba. Wait lang. Saan yung page ko?
We seriously didn't know.
Oh my god.
Tapos sumigaw si Lubash. We will spare all of you if you help me find my daughter. Sabi ni Lubash.
Oh, who is your daughter?
My daughter is Arabelle. She's 7-year-old. She's
Arabelle.
7 years old.
Arabelle.
Arabelle.
Okay, so maybe if we can stop fighting, we can talk more about your daughter. We just all calm down.
Sabi ni Arigal, I'm just not sure if Lady Fiona will be pleased that all of you are still alive. Sabi ni Arigal.
Why just tell them you're dead? Just tell them that we're dead.
Yeah, we're just gonna sneak around.
Okay, tapos inangat ni Arigal yung army. Tapos nakita niyang lumabas si Larner. Kay Arigal.
Okay.
Mula sa bush niyo siya nakita, pero
Doon na naman siya sa...
sabi ni Arigal. Tell Lady Fiona that they're going to do the plan. And, wait lang. That they're not going to steal the bones. Sabi niya, Arigal. Tapos nagagalitan si tapos nagagalitan si Larner, tapos nakita niyo ulit na nag-vanish si Larner. Naglalan siya pa rin.
Oh my
Well,
god.
let's wait for Lady Fiona's.
Very much MVP na din.
Okay, are you guys? Tawag doon, magte-telepathy si Fritz kay Lared. Are you guys okay with this?
With what?
With this?
There's so many things happening at once.
Oh my god. Am I making a wrong decision again?
Are you
Kapag si Arigal kay Roman.
Oh, hell no. Leave my boy alone.
Antidote, please?
Sinipan niya si Roman para mag-turnover kasi nga.
Okay.
Tapos, sinerch niya Arigal yung bag ni Roman. Tapos nakita niya yung bones ni Saint Andal sa bag ni Roman.
Oh! What?
See, I told you.
What?
Sabi ni Arigal. You're planning to steal the bones, sabi ni Arigal. Tapos nakita niya si Arigal na naglakad na kinip niya yung bones.
Okay, what?
Oh my god. What the
Okay, what? Okay, okay, so, how are we gonna get out of this? Okay, hindi alam ni Fritz yun.
Hindi rin alam nila.
Roman, what?
Explain this then, sabi ni Arigal. Well, I'm not sure. Are you guys aware that this guy is stealing the bones of Saint Andal? Tumingin siya sa inyo kasi mukha rin kayong surprise. So, here is si Arigal.
He never told us anything.
I'm sure he has a reason. Maybe if we maybe we can heal him first to hear him.
So that means this guy is protecting the bones. Sabi ni Arigal.
From From?
He's protecting the bones from you.
From us? Why? We seriously need to wake the guy up.
Tapos sabi ni Arigal kay Lubash siya ba eh? Tapos, lumapit si Lubash, tapos, destabilize niya si Roman. So,
Oh my god.
conscious ka na. I mean, unconscious ka, sa 0 HP mo.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, when he wakes up, tell him thank you for protecting the bones, sabi na Arigal.
Huh. Okay.
Thanks for this. Your friends are alive.
Okay. I am confusion. Okay.
Tapos bumalik na si Larnak.
Hey, buddy.
Bumalik na kay Arigal. Sabi ni Arigal. Well, looks like Lady Fiona doesn't want all of you killed. But I will guard this from now on. Tapos pinakita niya yung bones.
Alright.
If ever any of you try to steal this again, I will make sure to kill whoever planned. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I am confusion. Okay.
Sabi ni Lubash, if ever you find my daughter, please bring her to the Stanley camp, far west from Balaki. Sabi ni Lubash.
Okay. Any information about your daughter would help.
You're like
She
the
just
worst.
ran off one night.
Oh, just like
We
Gertrude.
have no idea where she is.
Do you have a picture?
You're sad letting your child off like that. What the?
Do you have a picture?
No.
Oh, what's her name?
Arab.
Arabelle.
Robin.
Bell. See, Luvash. Luvash is Daughter. Alright. Okay, we'll keep an eye out for Arabelle.
Tapos ginarap ni Arigal si Roman, tapos binato niya si Roman palapit kay Tris.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Tapos pakain na siya sa horse niya kasama si Dubai. We'll meet again, sabi ni Arigal. Tapos, nag-ride na sila palayo.
Huh. Okay.
Alam mo yung ano tawag dun? Yung mata.
Hmm?
Flinching ba tawag dun? Hindi. Yung parang nag-aano yung ilalim ng mata. Yung nanginginig, ganun. Anong tawag dun?
Nasa dulo na ng dila ko.
Ano yun?
Twitch.
Ayan. Nag-twitch lang yung mata ni Red.
Okay, so
We went all...
May trust issues na ba?
oh my, I don't know. I'm not sure. What? Okay, let's heal the guy first.
Unconscious siya ngayon. Hindi actually.
Okay, so heal natin si Roman. Ano to? 4 plus 6 na lang. 10.
Okay. Roman is healed.
Roman, what the hell?
Okay, nakita niya na dumidilat ko. Si Roman, pero medyo weak pa rin siya since half niya ng AP.
Okay.
Bumabalik lang ako na dedilig eh.
Hey.
Pwedeng i-heal pa siya ni Red though.
Okay.
Jarek.
Kumbaga, namatay ka na.
Ay, speaker.
ko na, pero
Ano?
nakapatay.
Pure wound.
Matagal.
Level 1 kay Roman.
Okay, papansin mo ng isang slot mo. Tsaka,
4.
okay.
What?
Okay, nasa condition na si Roman. Kaya niya magsalita, pero nanghihina pa siya. Pero kaya niya magsalita. Nilipat po kayo sa harapan ng
Okay, okay.
opening card.
Oo naman si Red.
Kasi sobrang bright ng screen.
Okay.
It's okay.
Ayan.
Oh my god. Hi, Irina.
Ano gagawin niyo?
Okay, si Nut.
Ha?
Okay. Nakatingin lang siya kay Irina.
Best anime plot twist.
Kaya nga, what?
Ito nga, paano tumawag na sa'yo?
Roman.
Patricia is not pleased.
No. Are you okay?
Makontrol niya yung-
It's her boy.
It's okay.
Hey. Hey, Roman.
Happened.
So, you had the bones. Why?
Huh?
Di mo pala narinig doon?
No. What? The bones, Roman. The bones of Saint Andrew.
Malabas.
Nakatingin lang si Roman.
Paalala ko si Roman, hindi mo naalala ko sino nag-order sa iyo kung paano.
Oo, nakatingin lang. Nakatingin lang si Roman sa kanila.
Ayoko na ako.
I-
Ayoko.
I don't know.
Ano siya?
What is happening?
Baksakan.
Oh my god. Okay.
I somehow had it with me,
Oo!
but it's telling me to protect it. Something is telling me to protect it. Because
Ay, sorry. Si Jolene naman niya pa din.
wait lang. Nagkakapilis ako, dammit.
Sige.
Oh, go.
It's a sad moment.
Because if I don't protect it, you guys will die.
Oh
I
my
can't
god.
risk that.
Oh god, Roman.
Nag-teleport ka.
Oh my god.
There's a thing called teamwork.
Yeah, you don't have to carry this alone.
You promised me you'd be honest. What the
Come on, man. You almost died.
Sakit, manalo. Ano?
I swear I didn't know. I didn't know.
Oh my gosh.
He's just with me.
You betrayed me.
But
Nagmamatch yung sinasabi ni Jor.
kaya,
Oh,
Betrayed me. Kaya ito nag-meet na ako. Si Kuya.
don't wait.
That's
Okay.
why I just kept it.
Wait lang ah. Wait, nagdadrama na ako. Balik ako saglit. Tumatawag lang si mami. Wait lang.